Data structures offer several advantages in computer science and programming. Here are some key advantages. Efficient data organization. Data structures enable the efficient organization and storage of data, allowing for quick access and retrieval of information. Optimized data retrieval. Different data structures are designed for specific operations, leading to the optimized retrieval and search times. For example, hash tables provide constant time average retrieval. Memory utilization. Data structures help in effective memory utilization. They allow for allocation and deallocation of memory as needed, reducing the wastage. Algorithm efficiency. The choice of the right data structure can significantly impact the efficiency of algorithms. For instance, sorting algorithm can perform differently based on the data structure used. Code reusability. Well defined data structures promote code reusability. Once implemented, they can be used across different projects and scenarios, saving development time. Abstraction and encapsulation. Data structures provide abstraction, allowing programmers to focus on high level concepts without worrying about the low level details. This simplifies problem solving and code maintenance. Ease of maintenance. Organized and well structured data makes the code easier to maintain and understand. Debugging and the modification become more straightforward with the clear data structures. Facilitates modularity. Data structures support the creation of modular programs. Modules or components can be developed independently, promoting a modular and scalable software design. Improved scalability. Properly chosen data structures contribute to the scalable solutions. As the volume of data increases, efficient data structures can handle larger data sets without a significant increase in processing time. Supports multiple operations. Data structures are designed to support various operations efficiently. For example, stacks are excellent for managing function calls, while hash tables excel at key value pair storage and retrieval. Enhanced problem solving. Data structures provide a systematic way to organize and manipulate data, enhancing the ability to solve complex problems and design efficient algorithms. Concurrency and parallelism. Certain data structures are designed to handle concurrent access by multiple threads or processes. They provide mechanisms for synchronization and data consistency in parallel computing. Enhances performance. The use of appropriate data structure contributes to the overall system performance by reducing the time complexity of operations, resulting in faster and more responsive applications. Supports dynamic memory allocation. Data structure facilitate dynamic memory allocation, allowing the allocation and deallocation of memory during the program execution, which is crucial for managing variable sized data. In this video, we discuss the advantages of data structures, and they are efficient data organization, optimized data retrieval, memory utilization, algorithm efficiency, code reusability, abstraction and encapsulation, ease of maintenance, facilitates modularity, improved scalability, supports multiple operations, enhanced problem solving, concurrency and parallelism, enhances performance, and supports dynamic memory allocation.